Life can throw you some curves. And it's not just things that you see coming, but sometimes it's the things you did not see coming that hits you out of nowhere, that sets you back in such a way that it seems like you cannot get over it. And you have reached your limit, and your bandwidth is full. You already said, I cannot take another things. And then, out of nowhere, here comes something you did not see coming. And you are in it, and in your homes. Somewhere in your heart, these words are echoing. Am I gonna make it? When you get into a tight spot and everything goes against you until it seems that you cannot hold on for a minute longer, never give up then. For that is just the space in time that the tide will turn. There are times when your energy feels so depleted that you wanna give up, that it looks just totally impossible. And I tell you from my own personal experience, don't give up then. That's when you have got to fall forward, when life is kicking dirt in your face. Don't give up then. That's when most people turn back. As long as you are alive, there is hope. You are still alive. You are still here. It's never too late. And it's never too dark. And we can always turn things around. There's gonna be a bad days, there's gonna be a dark days, but you gotta embrace it, because that pain is what makes you stronger. Pain is the high cost of growth. If you wanna grow up, you wanna be mature, there is no way to do it without pain. You can't grow up on easy street. And the very thing that discourages you is the very things that develops you. No one's coming to save you. The only person that's gonna make a drastic change in your life, whether that's physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, the only person that is gonna dig you out of your hole is who? You. You have to do it for you. You have got to become courageous to stand up within yourself, to face it and step forward. We all get a taste of that victim mentally, the why me. You can become the victor of the situation or the victor of the situation. You need to be the master of your emotions, not let them affect you. You are the director. You are the captain of your boat. Whether you let things affect you in a negative way or a positive way, I don't lose. I only win or learn. In life, there's only winning or learning. All your problems become gifts once you learn from them. And some of you have allowed adversity to make you stop. And I am telling you right now, don't give up. I am telling you right now, don't give in. Get through it. Execute, execute, execute. In the midst of adversity, execute. You are gonna walk through this. You are gonna get up, you are gonna get dressed, and you are gonna get out. And you are gonna do what you have been called to do. You are gonna be what you called to be. And you are gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you, everybody that tried to kill your dream. You are gonna prove all of them wrong. And if you can walk through your pain, I am guaranteeing you, on the other side is a reward. Pain is not permanent. Pain is temporary.